Now children, I will tell you some places where you use the article. That is when we talk about any particular thing or person. Then we use the. Second point is when we talk about a person or thing again. Means I will give you a card. Look, card is the noun. Card is the noun. It is a general. I'll give you a card. Any card it might be. Okay. Any greeting card, any birthday card, anything. So it is not particular. So a article is used here. But give the card to my friend. I am repeating, means second time I am talking about that particular card. এই কার্ড যে কার্ড আমি তোমায় দেব সেই কার্ডটা তুমি আমার ফ্রেন্ডকে দিয়ে দিও ওকে সো আই এম টকিং অ্যাবাউট দ্য কার্ড হুইচ আই এম রিপিটিং মিন্স অগেন আবার বলছি যে কার্ডটার জন্যে সেই কার্ডটা দেন আই হ্যাভ ইউজড দ্য কাম টু দ্য থার্ড পয়েন্ট বিফোর দ্য নেমস অফ রিভার্স oceans, deserts, mountain ranges, famous buildings, newspapers, ships, trains. You need to remember all these points. Where to use the article before river, like Yamuna, the Yamuna, always, the Ganges, the Nile. Okay, so before river we will use always the. Before ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Pacific Ocean. So all the oceans, before all the oceans, the article will be used. Deserts, the Sahara Desert, the Thar Desert. Okay, so before all the deserts, we will use the article. Himalayas, it is a mountain range. So we will say the Himalayas. Before some famous buildings like the Taj Mahal, the Victoria Memorial Hall, okay, the Eiffel Tower, these are famous. So we will use the. So newspaper, the Anand Bazar Patrika, the Statesman, the India Times. For newspaper, the will be used. Ships, the Titanic. Before trains, you know, the Shatabdi Express, the Rajdhani Express. So all the trains are named with the article. Now fourth point, names of objects that are the only one of their kind, like the sun, the moon, the sky. Okay, these are only one in this universe. Superlative degree, you all know, the best boy. He is the best boy in our class. He is the best singer in our country. Sixth point is before uncountable noun if it refers to a particular thing. We never use the before uncountable nouns, but when it refers to a particular thing, like the air of this room is hot. Water gives us life. Look, water is uncountable noun. So water, air, milk. Milk is healthy. So the milk is healthy, we never tell. Milk is healthy. Look, it is liquid and uncountable. So we are not using the article. But here the point is when the noun refers to a particular thing, like the air of this room. Look, the air of this room. Which air? Which air? Of this room. Of this room, this phrase suggests this air particular. এই एयर के particular করে দিল এই রুমের হাওয়াটা इस रूम के की जो एयर है हवा है वो हॉट है हर हवा হট नहीं होता है সব হাওয়া কিন্তু হট হয় না কিন্তু এই রুমের যে হাওয়া সো আই হ্যাভ মেড particular specific by adding this phrase of this room. Okay. Now we will learn where not to use the article. We have learned where to use the article. Now we will learn where not to use the article. Never forget it, these points. Here are 2 points. Never use the article before a person's name or country or cities, like the Purulia. I live in the Purulia. Is it correct? No. I live in Purulia. The Rabindranath Tagore is a great poet. Is it correct? No. Because it is a name of a person. But before name of a person or cities, we never use the article. And we never use the article before an uncountable noun like air, water, ink, milk. I want to make you remember once again where to use the article. Number 1, when we talk about any particular thing or person. Number 2 is when we mention any person or thing or place again. Third is before any river, ocean, a desert, mountain range, famous building, then newspaper, train or any ship. Okay, 4 points. And then 5th point is before superlative degree. And 6th point is before uncountable noun if it is specific.